Part one of today's installations of assembly. Total of 10 wheelbarrows, under 2 hours. Goal, under an hour and a half, really under 1 hour. And it can be possible. That would probably be about 5 minutes a wheelbarrow. And the design. This design is a little quicker because it's plastic and it doesn't have two other components to install, which are your support mount or support brace, compared to this design. Cleanup is more important than the actual build. Make sure you leave your space just as well as you find it, if not better. On to the next evolution of assembly.